I hope so. I'm audible, children. Please comment and let me know if I'm audible. Please comment and let me know. Yes. Yeah. 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 Thank you so much. Now 10:05 is the time. I think we can wait for another 2 minutes. Yeah. Priyank, thank you. Thank you. Shreya, Satvik, Chirag, thank you so much. Okay. We'll wait for another 2-3 minutes, children. I hope so. You are preparing very seriously. Now it's high time to concentrate more on your very basic things and avoid doing silly mistakes. You have written so many exams, so many preparatories and all. I hope so. You have learned the mistakes from your mm, preparatories and the midterm exams. My audible, children? Yes, let's not delay. Let us begin the session. We actually started solving the previous year questions in the previous class, right? So now we are supposed to start with question 8. Okay, question 8. Right. So you let me know whether if you are feeling these questions are quite simple questions, easy questions, we can skip solving these, children. Okay. If you feel that okay, these are simple questions and easy questions, you can skip solving it. Okay. You let me know, children. This is nothing but you are asked to find out the mean, okay, by the shortcut method. You want me to do it or skip this one and go to the next one? Please type and let me know. Please comment and let me know. You want me to solve this one or you can okay solve this one, or we can skip this one and continue with the next question. We can skip. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Yeah, it is easy, right? Akash is telling it is easy, you can skip it. Okay, right. Hi Jayant, hi Jayant. Okay, yeah, we can skip it. We can skip it, children. We can skip it. Yeah, let's move to the next one now. See, the question says what must be added to each of the numbers. The given numbers over here are, you must know what are the given numbers over here. The numbers are 4, 6, 8 and 11. These are the given numbers. You must add something to these numbers so that the given numbers form a proportion. Okay, so let the number to be added is equal to, you can take it as x or k or whatever it is. Okay, so it's already told that they form a proportion, so I can say that 4 plus x is to 6, right, plus 6 plus x equal to 8 plus x is to 11 plus x. Okay, so these are forming a proportion. If they are forming a proportion, we know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. These are means and these are extremes. So now I can say 4 plus x into 11 plus x is equal to 6 plus x into 8 plus x. And children, one request what I'm doing you is, please sit with pen, pencil, book. Okay, don't simply keep watching it. Okay, don't simply keep watching it. Please sit with the book and a pen and keep doing along with me, keep doing along with me, right? So hi Akshay. Okay, many of you are saying hi. Okay, right, Rutvik. Yes, Sharon, keep doing along with me. So what is the number to be added, each of the numbers, to get the numbers in the proportion? So I have taken the numbers as x. So 4 plus x is to 6 plus x equal to 8 plus x is to 11 plus x. Product of means equal to product of extremes. Now you multiply these two. You'll get it as 44 plus 4x plus of 11x plus x square is equal to 48 plus of 6x plus of 8x plus of x square. So now I can cancel x square and x square. So what I'm left with over here is 15x plus of 44 is equal to, here I'm going to get it as 14x plus of 48. Now I'm supposed to find out the value of x. So now I'll take this 14 to the other side. It becomes a 15x minus of 14x is equal to 48 minus of 44. So I'm going to get x is equal to 4. So the conclusion should be written. Therefore, 4 is the number 4 to be added, okay, to each of the given numbers, so that they form proportion. Okay, so that they form proportion. Clear, children? So let me tell you how actually the marks allotted here, the allotment of marks, how actually it is happening, right? You are adding one mark, I mean one x to each of the numbers. You are saying that product of means equal to product of extremes, and you are simplifying and getting the answer x is equal to 4. So this is how the marks allotment is happening. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. If you feel children, any of the questions are quite simple and easy, okay, you please let me know. We can skip those questions, using ruler and compass only. Okay, consider a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So what are you supposed to do over here? Okay, let me try constructing this. If it is possible. Okay, yeah. So now what is the question over there? You are supposed to construct a triangle. Clear, right? So the data you must know, children. What is the data over there? Okay, one angle is given to you as 120 degree. Clear, and another angle was given to you as the sides were given to you. I will write the data for you here, children. Okay, using ruler and compass only. Consider triangle ABC in which AB equal to 6 centimeter. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter. This is AB. Wherever you can take it as angle B is given to you, right? No problem. And angle A is given to you as 120 degree. This is 120 degree. I'm drawing a rough figure. This is 6 centimeter they have given you. Then this is 120 degree. Clear. Then AC is equal to 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. AC is 5 centimeter. Construct a circle passing through A, B and C. Right. After construction of the triangles, you have to draw a circle which passes through A, B and C. So means what, children? What you mean by this? And also measure and write down the radius of the circle. So now tell me, children, what I'm supposed to do? Okay, what should I do over here? I need to construct a circle which is passing through A, B and C. What should I do over here, children? Please let me know. Circumcircle. Very good. Okay, many of you are saying it's a circumcircle. Now let us start construction, children. Right, I will take a scale over here. I will draw. Okay, this is 120 degree. You must know the obtuse angle, you have to have a little bit of more place, right? So now 6 centimeter I will take. Look at the screen very carefully. This is the line what I require. This is A, I'm calling it as, and this is B, I'm calling it as. Now I'm supposed to construct 120 degree. So now I'll take the compass, I'll keep it at A. Okay, I'll take a suitable length of the compass. Then I will draw one arc. Okay, I will draw one arc. Look at the screen very carefully how 120 degree is constructed. Now I lift it and I'll keep it over here. Now I will cut this arc once. This is my 60 degree. Then again if I cut this one, that will give me 120 degree. Clear, children? So now this is the 120 degree line. Okay, now how much should be AC? AC is supposed to be 6 centimeter. Now I will take 6 centimeter from here. Pay attention. Okay, so 6 centimeter I will take in compass. Arc must be shown clearly, children. Arc must be shown clearly. The evaluator will observe the arcs, okay, and allot you marks. Okay, right. Uh, right. Yeah, perpendicular bisector of the sides. Correct. Okay. Kirtan is telling perpendicular bisector we have to draw. Correct, ma. Okay. Yes, yes. Now first this is how much is AC? 5 centimeter. Now let me check whether I have taken 5 centimeter or not. I have to take 5 centimeter over here. I will take 5 centimeter. Now once I take 5 centimeter, I'll keep the sharp edge at A. Then cut this arc. Need to be very careful, children. This is nothing but the arc what I require, and I am going to call this point. Okay, I'm going to call this point as a C. Now A B C is a required triangle, so I am supposed to join B and C. I will join this one. Now I have to draw a circle which is passing through A, B and C. So what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to do, yes, Chirag, what he was telling. Who is this? Sir, do you remember me? Atmaja. Atmaja. Atmaja, sorry dear. Okay. Sorry, Atmaja. Which year I taught you, I don't remember. Sorry, I'm very extremely sorry, dear. Okay, you can do a little bit more introduction of yourself. I can remember. Okay, right. Now perpendicular bisector of this. So perpendicular bisector, I'm taking more than half of any of the sides, right? Any of the sides you can do. Okay, now perpendicular bisector of this side I am planning to construct. Okay, one arc I will draw over here, one arc I will draw over here. Then above this one I will draw one more arc. Now without changing the length of the compass, I'll keep the sharp edge at B. I'll keep the sharp edge at B, and I will draw and cut this arc over here. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector. Now I will join this line. Okay, I will draw a line over here. I will draw a line over here. You can in fact extend this line, children. You can extend this line. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Now I will draw the perpendicular bisector of either side AC or BC. Right, so now can do anything, any two sides are required. Now let us do the perpendicular bisector of side AC. Okay, so I will take the compass again. Right, let me take a different color over here. Okay, this belongs to this side. Now I will draw the perpendicular bisector of the side AC. Now don't change the length of the compass, keep the sharp edge at C, cut the arc whatever you have drawn just now. Children, this is going to be a guarantee question. You will get a question which combines construction, okay, of circumcircle or loci as well. Okay, right, so you have to be perfect with this. This is a guarantee question, very guarantee question, children. Okay, now what I draw, I will draw a line which is connecting the perpendicular bisectors, the connecting the, yes, So this is the line. So now if you observe, here is the point, whatever I am getting, that is nothing but the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors. This is O. Now I'll keep the sharp edge of the compass at O. Okay, then I will just check whether the compass touches all the three vertices of the triangles or not. I will just check whether it touches the all the three vertices of the triangle or not. Okay, then I will draw a circle. Okay, I will draw a circle. Now let me draw a circle. Now let me draw a circle. Okay, let me check whether it is touching all the three vertices of the triangle or not. Yes, exactly, it is touching. Okay, so now one thing you can observe over here, children, one thing you can observe over here. See here, the circle whatever I have drawn, it is going out of the page. It may happen in your exam also. It may happen in your exam also. So whenever you have this obtuse angle, right? Whenever this angle is obtuse angle 120-degree, whenever you have this obtuse angle, you have to be very careful above this line. Okay, you have to have more place so that you don't require to erase the construction once again and again you should do it. No, the full circle should be visible to you, and the circle should not overlap some other question. Okay, circle should not overlap on some other question. Okay, so make sure that you are not drawing a circle which is overlapping the other question on your answer sheet. Clear, children? I hope so this is clear to you. Now how much is the radius of the circle? These are the tail questions, children. You have to be very alert about it. These are the tail questions where you have to measure the length of the radius of the circle. Okay, length of the radius of the circle. Okay, this is nothing but the radius of the circle. You can notice it, the radius of the circle is around 5.5 centimeter. Okay, you should write, so therefore radius of the circumcircle. Why it is circumcircle? Because it is touching all the vertices of the triangle. Radius of the circumcircle, okay, circumcircle is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Make sure that you are using a very sharp pencil and you are not using a compass which is suffering from the polio. Okay, so means what? Legs of the compass should be tight enough, man. Okay, right. So make sure that you are having a okay the very good compass, the compass which is good in condition. Sir, please tell how to draw construction of special cases. Okay, special cases, it takes so much of time, my dear. Okay, here we can right concentrate on that, that later we can take up these special cases. Okay, so now pay attention, children. Let's move to the next question now. What is the next question? This construction we have done with this construction. Clear? We are done with this construction. Clear? Yeah. So now let us take the next question. Any question if you find it easy, where you don't require my help, where you are thinking that you can do on your own, then we can skip those kind of questions. Then we can go ahead with the next question. In such cases, please comment and tell me. So using componendo and dividendo, solve for x. What do you think? You want me to solve this one? Using componendo and dividendo, okay, solve for x. Should I solve this or we can skip it? Majority wins. You let me know, children. Comment and let me know. Comment and let me know. You want me to solve this or not? You want me to solve this or not? Please comment and let me know. Comment and let me know. Please comment and let me know. Please comment and let me know. If you tell me whether we can solve this or not, then we can proceed with whatever you want. Okay, please let me know. Skip. Okay, Shreya is telling to skip this one. We can skip. Okay, good. No. Okay, Kanishk is telling no to do it. Sir, solve. Okay, fine. Okay, you people are having dilemma. Okay, no problem, let us take, hardly it takes some time. Okay, let us continue solving this one. So now, sometimes what happens, children, particularly they will give you a question where, sir, you have to use the properties of proportion, particular property won't be mentioned. Okay, then any of the properties like no alternando, okay, or only componendo or only dividendo, okay, any of the properties can be used. But specifically if they are mentioning, okay, use the property of componendo and dividendo, solve for x, so we have to use that property itself, no other property to be used. So now over here the given expression is what, 2x plus 2, okay, plus of 2x minus 1 divided by root of 2x plus 2 minus of root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. I can write this one as 3 by 1. So 2x plus 2 plus of 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 2 minus of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. So now apply componendo and dividendo. So if I apply componendo and dividendo, so for those who, okay, have forgotten what you mean by componendo and dividendo, if a by b is equal to c by d, when I apply the componendo and dividendo, a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. This property is called as componendo and dividendo. Children, keep in mind, whenever I'm asking you to apply the componendo and dividendo and solve it, don't only take LHS separately and RHS separately and solve it. No, that is very wrong thing. Okay, that is very wrong thing. So now I can apply componendo and dividendo, square root of 2x plus 2 plus of root of 2x minus 1 plus of root of 2x plus 2, okay, minus of root of 2x minus 1 divided by root of 2x plus 2 plus of root of 2x minus 1 minus of root of 2x plus 2 plus of root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Now if you observe over here, okay, 2x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 plus will get cancelled. 2x plus 2 with minus sign, 2x plus 2 with plus sign will get cancelled. So I'll be left with square root of 2x plus 2 divided by 2 into square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 4 by 2. Now this 2 will get cancelled. 1s are 2s are, okay, I can cancel them. So what I'm left with now, I'm left with square root of 2x plus 2 divided by square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 by 1. Now what I do is squaring on both side. Okay, squaring on both side. When I square on both side, I'll get to know that 2x plus 2, okay, by 2x minus 1 is equal to 4 by 1, because square and square root will get cancelled. Square and square root will get cancelled. Okay, so when I cancel them, now I can again apply componendo and dividendo. Apply componendo and dividendo. So 2x plus 2 plus of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 2 minus of 2x, okay, plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So now here plus 1 minus 1, okay, if it possible to cancel it off. Here both of them are different numbers, I cannot cancel them. Okay, so what can I write over here, whichever is possible. Okay, 2x plus 2 and 2x minus, okay, 2. So now what can I write? 4x, okay, plus 1 divided by, here 2x will get cancelled, plus 3 I get is equal to 5 by 3. So now 3 will get cancelled. So 4x plus 1 is equal to 5. Then I get 4x is equal to 5 minus 1. X is equal to 1 I get. Okay, so x is equal to 1 I get. So this is the answer, children. Sir, you can cross multiply it, sir. No problem. No, sir, you can, okay, cross multiply it. Definitely I can do it, but as much as possible, whenever you are asked to find out no, the value of x, applying componendo and dividendo, please find out them by, okay, applying componendo and dividendo only. Okay, last year marks was not given if you cross multiply them. Okay, you are expected to apply the componendo and dividendo twice. Clear? Okay, so I hope so this is clear enough for all of you. Okay, so definitely this is a 3-mark question, children. Okay, now let me know about the next question. So think about this question and let me know whether I can solve this one or I can skip this one. Please comment. Okay, please. Okay, let me know. Please let me know. Please let me know whether we can solve this one or skip this one. Read the question, children. Read the question thoroughly and understand. Okay, whether I can solve this one or skip this one. Okay, whether I can solve this one or skip this one. Okay, please let me know. Please let me know. Skip. Okay, skip. Okay, definitely we can do that. Skip. Okay, yes, skip. Right, fine. That means you are finding these questions easy. Right, fine, no problem. Now let us take the next question, that is the heights and distance, the concept of heights and distances. Okay, so now from the top of a tower 100-meter high, a man observes the angle of depression of two ships A and B on opposite sides of the river as 45 degree and 38 degrees respectively. If foot of the tower and the ships are in the same horizontal line, find the distance between the two ships A and B to the nearest meter. I think I require to solve this one. Okay, so this is easy question, but lots of tricks are involved over there. Okay, and how to use the trigonometric table, the method of using the trigonometric table is involved. Okay, that is also can be discussed over here. Shreya is asking, sir, for GST payable should we, okay, take the GST, input GST or tax on the profit? Both are fine, dear. Okay, you can do both. Okay, both are same. Okay, you can do the both. So now see here, this is always, if the figure is given to you, children, if the figure is given to you, that is boon in disguise for you. Sometimes what happens, figure won't be given in the question. Okay, that time you have to draw the figure, and in such cases drawing the figure also carries marks. Okay, so now what is the question you are asked to find out? You are asked to find the distance between the two ships A and B. So means what? You are asked to find out AC is how much and BC is how much, and add them to get the distance between the two ships. Clear? Now I will take in a triangle, pay attention, in triangle ABADC, angle ACD is equal to 90 degree. So therefore I can just call this one as P and Q. I can just call this as P and Q. Now here I can write the angle PDA is equal to DAC is equal to 45 degree, because they form a interior alternate angles. So this angle becomes 45 degree. So similarly I can say angle QDB is equal to DBC is equal to 38 degree. That is also interior alternate angles. So this angle also becomes 38 degree. Now in a triangle ADC, I will take a tan. Okay, so tan of 45 is equal to DC divided by AC. So that implies 1 is equal to DC is 100 divided by AC. So therefore AC is equal to 100 meter I get. AC is equal to 100 meter. So next what I do, in triangle DCB, in triangle DCB, angle DCB is equal to 90 degree. Now here if I take, look at this one. So tan of 38 degree, if I take tan of 38 degree is equal to, look at this, very important. Here comes a very important thing. Tan of 38 degree, if I take DC divided by BC I get. Okay, I can calculate the value of tan 38. Okay, DC is 100. Okay, BC I'm supposed to find out. Okay, some value, right, some value over here. So BC, if I want to find out, 100 divided by that value will come over here. That is division, which will be more complications for me. Okay, so many of the children will go with this method and they end up okay, getting a wrong answer. Here small thing what you need to understand over here is, instead of directly going with the tan 38, what I suggest you is find out the complement of tan 38. You all know that the sum of angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree. So if this angle is 38, this is 90, this is 90, so how much will be this? This is going to be 52 degree. This is going to be 52 degree. So I can write in this in the triangle DCB is equal to 90 degree. So therefore angle CDB is equal to 180 minus of 90 plus of 38. Okay, so CDB is equal to 52 degree. So now what I can do is tan of 52 is equal to BC divided by DC. I will take multiplication with a complicated number is easy for me. Okay, multiplication with a complicated number is easy for me, but division takes more time. So tan 52, can anybody tell me what is the value of tan 52, children? I told you to have your classwork and textbook, okay, and all the materials, okay, near you, so that you can do along with me. Tan 52, can anybody tell me what is the value of tan 52? It is 1.4281. Okay, so it is 1.4281. Okay, tan 52 is 1 point, is it 1.4281? No, tan 55 it is tan 52, it is 1.2799, 1.2799. Okay, 1.2799, correct. Okay, 1.2799. Yes, yes, Shreya, Chirag, very nice of you, children, very nice of you. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Right, so now, all right, so this is the value of tan 52, that is equal to BC divided by, okay, DC is how much? That is 100. Okay, so therefore BC is equal to 1.2799 into 100, so that is equal to 127.99 meter. So therefore distance between the two ships, okay, is equal to AC plus BC, that is 100 plus of 127.99, that is 227.99 meter. Sometimes they will give you, okay, like no, round it off to nearest meter. They all are the tail questions, children, tail questions, I'm telling you. Okay, they'll ask you to find out the, okay, answer till the nearest whole number, or just like the previous construction, they'll ask you to find out the radius of the circumcircle. Okay, many children will ignore those questions, okay, ignore those questions and lose 1 mark. So be very careful. Now let us go to the next question. I hope so this question is clear enough. Okay, this question is clear enough. If you want to round it off 2 to 8 meter, nearest whole number, okay, nearest whole number 2 to 8 meter is the, okay, nearest whole number. Yes, very good, children, very good. Okay, so please take a book and a pen, do along with me and verify your answers. It is not the, okay, simple video, you are simply seeing it and sitting quiet and you are doing your own chores, okay, you are having your dinner, you are watching TV. That will not work. Okay, that will not work at all. Okay, so you can get to know at what level you are prepared for the exam. Okay, now next one, children, factorize the given expression completely. You want me to do it or not? You want me to do it or not? You want me to do it or not? Okay, factorize the given expression completely. Okay, let me know you want me to do it or not. Solve it or not. Okay, I need to take a consent of everybody. Okay, skip. Okay, easy. Okay, okay, right. In your name only topper is there, it will be easy for you, dear. Okay, so obviously it will be easy for you. Okay, yeah, yes, skip, fine, right, that's nice of you, children. That means what, you are finding these kind of questions easy, means what, you are preparing well. Very nice, very nice. Okay, very good. Now think about this one, think about this one. This is a must and should question, what you need to, okay, solve. Right, so question, Okay, 11. Okay, I mean, which main it is? 10th main. Okay, 10th main, second question. Should we skip? Skip, skip. Okay, two times we have to skip. Okay, fine. Right. Okay. Vihani is telling to skip. Two times we have to skip. Okay, fine. Right. Yeah. Right. Skip it. Skip it. Really? Skip? Tell me. 10th main, second one skip. Just type like that. 10th main, second one skip. Sir, graph book is given by the school is not good. Okay. You are out of the school. Whichever school you are studying in, you are out of the school, children. Don't worry about it. Okay. From the council, you are going to get the good graph sheet. Right. Don't worry. Okay. Do sir, do sir. They don't give scale. Then how do we take scale? You have to see what actually the particular scale fit for the question. Okay, so now partially I will do it. Okay, the partially you can do it, children. Right, many of you are telling me to skip and many of you are telling me to, okay, yes, Akash, thank you so much. Right, Akash is telling skip, sir. It is very easy, simple, very nice of you, children. Okay, now CF has to be calculated. CF comes only for the mode, I mean median. Okay, none of the methods of mean or mode will include the CF. CF come only for the median. So CF, if I calculate, see sometimes what happens, see here 60 students, they have only given 60 students, so I'll last, cumulative frequency should be 60. Now it is 2 6 plus 10 is 16, then 29, then 44, 44, 53, then 58, then 60. See, last cumulative frequency is 60, whatever they have given you over here. Okay, I'll get 99 without studying. Akash will get 99 without studying. Okay, right, that means you know how actually Akash is preparing for the exam. Very nice. Okay, sir, you won't even be able to do the Ujjain accurately on the screen, so just skip it. So nice of you, topper guy. Okay, I can understand how actually you're a topper, right? So now pay attention, children. Very nice of you. Right, so I'll just skip this question. Is that fine? Is that fine? Okay, fine. Right, so your teachers might have done lots of practice on these kind of questions. Please practice them a lot. Okay, practice them a lot. So now let us this is actually the end of the question paper, what actually we had taken it for solving. This is the end of the question paper, right? So now here how, yes, so this is nothing but n by 2 score is the median. N by 2 score is the median, so that is 60 by 2, that is 30th score is the median. Always one thing I would like to tell you here, children, one thing I would like to tell you, whenever I'm asking you to find out the median or lower quartile or upper quartile, always you should go from the y-axis to x-axis like this, and you draw the arrowheads. Don't forget to draw the arrowheads on the guiding lines. Don't forget to draw the arrowheads on the guiding line. Okay, for median you are going from the y-axis to x-axis, and for the lower quartile, for the lower quartile it will be just under the median line. Lower quartile, this is q1. Okay, under the median line, this also you are going from the y-axis to x-axis. The upper quartile will be above the median line. You are going from the y-axis to x-axis like this. Okay, when the questions are asked, see here, see this question. Okay, so find the number of students whose weight is above 37 kg. Okay, so this 37 kg, all this whatever you are having, this should be on the x-axis. This should be on the x-axis, and you are plotting, very important. Okay, you are plotting upper limit versus cumulative frequency, upper limit versus cumulative frequency, upper limit versus cumulative frequency, you are plotting. And you are not supposed to use scale. Okay, you should not use scale, right? So don't use scale. These all are the precautions what you need to take. Don't use scale to join the plotted points. Okay, don't use scale to join the dotted points. If kink necessary, you have to draw the kink. Do you require to draw the kink over here? Think and tell me. Okay, kink, should I draw the kink over here? Okay, Should I draw the kink over here? Is it required for me to draw the kink? Okay, yes, I have to draw the kink because here 0 it starts over here. I have to draw the kink and take the mean. Okay, next one over here. Clear? Okay, right. So children, this kind of spamming I don't really like it. Okay, you are not here to, okay, spam. Please stop doing that. Please stop doing that. Concentrate over here. Concentrate over here. It is required, Shreya. See, it is required, or else OW minus 1. Superb, superb you are. Okay, see, you remember, okay, whatever your teacher has taught you in the class. Very nice of you. Okay, so what is the meaning of less than Ojai? Okay, good question you are asking, Atharva. You are asking a very good question. Right, what is the meaning of less than Ojai? Okay, fine. All right, so now see, children, here I will explain you. See, these are lots and lots of things are there to learn in this one. Please concentrate. Upper quartile also scale not required. Upper quartile also scale not required. Scale not required, what do you mean by that? Scale is given in the question, you have to use the same scale, otherwise OW minus 1. Okay, so now less than ojive. What is the meaning of less than ojive? Okay, listen children, listen. See children, if you don't spam, ask me some good questions, some valid questions like this. No, I'm so happy to help you. Okay, simply unnecessary, no, pulling each other's leg. Okay, I really don't like it. Okay, if you are here for that, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't, okay, encourage that one. Ask me whatever question you are asking. I'm, okay, happy to help you out. Okay, see now, what is less than type of question? Okay, suppose Atharva, you are asking some question 38 to 28 to 30, 30 to 32. Okay, I'm just taking 3 classes over here. Then 32 to 34. Right. So here you are having frequency as 2, 4, 10, and you are having the cumulative frequency as 2, 6, and okay 16 over here. Correct. So now whenever I write 28 to 30, 30 to 32, okay, if I have written 2 and 4 over here, who all come in this class? Tell me, who all come in this class? Those who have scored less than 30 will come in this class. Correct? Those who have scored, okay, 30 in this class will come in this class. Okay, so means what? Those who have scored 28 and 29 will come in this class. Only the upper lower limit and 29 is included. Upper limit is not included. So means what can I say? These two guys, whoever has scored this much, are less than 30. So now I can say it is less than 30 or below 30 is 2. Below 30 is 2. Then less than 32. Less than 32 is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Whenever less than is given, this number to be taken directly as a CF. Don't take it as a, okay, frequency. Don't take it as a frequency. Okay, you should take it as a CF directly. So I think so I'm loud and clear. Okay, so this is very important thing. Guiding line should be written, arrowhead should be written, king should be drawn, and the scale given in the question paper should only be taken. Don't take any other scale. Please subscribe and watch, children. As I told you, please subscribe and watch, so that it is a kind of encouragement, motivation for me. Okay, I can bring in a lot of different varieties of questions, higher order questions, okay, which will definitely help you in exam. This is, I think so, this is the last question of the question paper. Okay, then we are going, I have selected some kind of questions which are, see the questions, when you observe some of the questions, no, you feel like, oh my god, what kind of question it is, oh my god. But when you literally start solving it, no, children, it won't be anything. It will easily give you the answer. Right. So that's why I'm telling you, understand the concept. Concept is the power. Concept is the power. Okay. Understand the concept. Okay. Using the properties of, see, here, that's what I'm telling you in the one. Okay, in this question, see, look at this question, what they had asked, use componendo and dividendo to solve this question. That property should only be used. But here what they are telling, use properties of proportion. This is also a PYQ. It is asked in one of the previous exam. Use the properties of proportion to, okay, find x is to y. Clear? Clear? Okay, any of the properties can be used over here. It is not necessary for you to use component and dividend only. Okay, so now here, if you are smart enough, what will you do? If you observe this expression clearly, if you observe this expression clearly, x can be taken out from the numerator, x plus 2 can be written, and 2 can be taken out from the denominator, x plus 2 can be written, and y can be taken out from the numerator, y plus 3 can be written, then 3 can be taken out from the denominator, y plus 3 can be written. So now what I can do, this will get cancelled. So what I am left with, children, I am left with x by 2 is equal to y by 3. Now till here I have not used any of the properties, right? Now what I use property is x by y is equal to 2 by 3. What property I have used over in this step? What property I have used in this step? Please tell me. Okay, yeah, it is for 6 marks. It is for 6 marks, child. Ujayu question, it is for 6 marks. Okay, see here, one 4 marker, this was for 4 mark in the 10th question of that particular year. This was for 4 mark and this was for 6 marks. So 6 marks easily gaining, yes. Chirag is telling the answer very rightly. Okay, this property is nothing but alternando. This property, whatever I have used, is nothing but alternando. Here you are not asked to find out the value of x is to y. Okay, you are not asked to find out value of x is to y by using an componendo and dividendo. No, they are just asking you to use any of the properties, okay, so I can use any of the properties to find the required thing. It is not necessary for you to apply componendo and dividendo always. Keep in mind. Okay, is it clear, children, all of you? Is it clear? Let me know. Is it clear? Yes. Now let us proceed with the next question. Let us proceed with the next question. Are you all ready for the next question? Yes. Now let me see what is the next question, what is stored in the next question. See here, sometimes what happens, we will be ready for some very big and difficult questions. Okay, but in the exam we end up getting very simple question. It has happened many a time, children. It has happened many a time. What happens, you are ready for finding the mean by step deviation method, direct method, blah 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 and all, and you will get a question where you are not at all getting any grouped data. You are not at all getting any grouped data. You are just getting ungrouped data where you are asked to find out the mean and median. So now see this question. Can you answer this question? I'll give you some time. Okay, I'll just give you 1 minute of time. Okay, please answer this question, sir. Please answer this question. Okay, please answer this question. Come on, be quick. Be quick. Be ready with answers. You write your answers in your book. Okay, write your answers in your book. Write your answers in your book. I'll take your answers now. If you already got the answers, please let me know. Please let me know. Yes. Yes. Please let me know if you have got the answers. Come on. Be quick. It's a very simple question, yes or no, children? Very, very simple question. I expect all of you to answer for this question. Very good, very good. Many of you are telling. Okay. Samarth is telling the answer. Rishik, eight-sided polygon. Okay. To be more specific, concave polygon will, okay, be more specific. Right. Yes, yes. Okay. Now let me see what are the answers what you have written. See, now onwards, children, we have done with the question paper. We are done with the question paper. Okay, I am now onwards in today's session, tomorrow's session, and day after tomorrow's session. I am definitely coming on okay, live. I'm definitely going to help you. I am going to bring you some questions which are definitely, okay, definitely you just, okay, comment, okay, comment in the no videos, right, that okay, this kind of question had come, yes sir, you had solved it. Okay, definitely I'm telling you, okay, that kind of questions are must and should. Okay, you have to prepare for that. Write down the coordinates of a. Now can you tell me what is a? Where is a is here, children. Okay, where is a? Where is a is over here. Okay, a is over here. So a is over here. Can you tell me what is the coordinates of a? X is 0, y is minus 4. Correct. X is 0, y is minus 4. So x is 0, y is minus 4. Okay, this is the coordinate of a. Fine. Then b, 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 x is 3, y is minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 is b. Very good. Okay, always coordinates should be written in the round bracket. Don't use square bracket, curly brackets. No, coordinates should be used, okay, by writing the round bracket. And when you're writing the solution set, in the case of equation, round bracket, square bracket are not accepted. Only curly bracket to be used, flower bracket to be used. Keep all these things in mind. Preparing only for the chapter, only for the concept won't help you. Okay, you need to keep this kind of things in mind. You need to keep this kind of okay, many of the things in mind. Okay, then c. What is c? All this kind of things will lose, okay, make you get less marks, children, if you are not aware of all these things. Okay, c. What is c? Coordinates of c. C is x is 1, y is 0. Then e. What is e? Is, where is e? Is over here. E is over here. X is 0 and y is 1. Okay, so how many of you have got this answer? You are, okay, are on the right path. Now name the name and write down the coordinates of the image of b under the reflection of x-axis. I told you in the previous session, image of b under the reflection of x-axis to be written in this format only. Coordinate of b is 3 comma minus 2. Whenever you're reflecting the point in the x-axis, sign of the y coordinate should be reversed. Sign of the y coordinate should be reversed. So 3 comma minus 2. Next, later name and write the coordinates of the image of d under the reflection of origin. Okay, you are reflecting d in the origin. D is what, children? Where is d? D is 3 comma 2. In the origin you are reflecting it, so minus 3 comma minus 2. Clear? Okay, so which point is 3 comma 2? 3 comma plus 2 is nothing but d. This is d. Right, so minus 3 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 2 is nothing but h. Name, in the sense what, you have to name it, whether it is h or d or like that, you have to name it. Okay, next, which point is the image of a under the reflection of bh? This is very important. This kind of questions are very, very important. This kind of questions are very, very important. Okay, all of you know, only when the point is reflected in x-axis and y-axis, what you are going to get. But when it is reflected in a particular line, okay, bh, see, they have only given, so nice of them, they have only given the line. If the line is not given, you should only draw the line. Okay, you should only draw the line. Okay, so now what you're asked to find out, which point is the image of a, okay, under the reflection of bh. Write down its coordinate. A is where, children? A is this. Okay, A is this. How far you are from this line? See, 1, 2. Okay, so you are reflecting. This acts like a mirror now. This acts like a mirror. So 1, 2. So you are over here whenever the point A is reflected in the line BH. Okay, so what is your answer for this? Which point is the image of A? Means what? Origin is the point. Okay, O is the point under the reflection of BH. Write down its coordinates. Coordinates of origin is 0, 0. Clear. Next question. Name the closed figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So as somebody told in the chart, it is a octagon. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, absolutely. This is a octagon. Okay. Since it is eight-sided polygon, okay, it is called as octagon. Suppose at that moment if you don't get to know the eight-sided polygon is called as octagon, no problem. If you just write eight-sided polygon, no, nothing wrong in it. If you just write eight-sided polygon, okay, right. And to be more specific, see here, if one angle of the polygon is reflex angle. What do you mean by reflex angle? What do you mean by reflex angle? Which is greater than 180 degree. Okay, one angle is more than 180 degree. So such kind of polygons are called as a concave polygon. Okay, so if you name it specifically that the figure whatever is given is a concave octagon. Okay, concave octagon. So that is the more specific name of the given polygon. That is the more specific name of the given polygon. Yes, okay, concave octagon is more specific. Okay, right. Please, all right, don't chat with each other, children. Please chat with me. Okay, please concentrate. If not now, never. Please concentrate. Please concentrate. Please. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. I think so it is clear with you. Is it clear? Have you understood how to solve? See here, in this question, in this year, it was not asked to plot any of the reflection question. Now the graph is given in the question and you are supposed to answer the sub questions like this. Clear? Okay, it may be like anything, right? Yeah, so now see, let us go to the next question. Height and sorry, the volume and surface area, children. Volume and surface area. So what is given here? A right circular cone of radius 20 centimeter. It has its volume 8800 centimeter cube. So now the given figure is cone. Okay, so radius is given to you. So radius is equal to how much it is? Radius is 20 centimeter and volume is given to you. Volume is 8800 centimeter cube. Find its height. So first of all, you should be thorough with the formula. You should be thorough with the formula. What is the formula to find out the volume of a cone? Volume of cone is given by the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula to find out the volume of a cone. Now volume of the cone itself is given to you 8800, okay, is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 20 into 20 into h. H you are supposed to find out. Okay, h you are supposed to find out. All right, so now wherever it is possible to cancel, you cancel it off. Okay, so now it is, I cannot cancel anything from the RHS, so 8800 into 3 into 7 divided by 22 into 20 into 20 is equal to h. Okay, so now this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4s are 2 ones are 2 2s are 2s are. So this and this will get cancelled. So height you are getting it as 21 centimeter. Okay, because 3 into 7, 21 centimeter you are getting it. Clear? So next question is what? Curved surface area. This is A. Now CSA you are supposed to find out. If you are finding out the CSA of a cone is given by the formula pi r L. Okay, so what is L over here? Can anybody tell me what is L? L is nothing but slant height. Okay, is it given in the question? It is not given in the question. It is not given in the question. Okay, it is not given in the question. So what can I do? What can I do? Right, I have to find it out. So how can I find it out? I can find it out. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. So what is h square? Just now we have found out 21 square. R square is 20 square. So now 21 square 441 plus of 400. So you are going to get it as 880, 841. Okay, 841. Okay, 841, 841 square root of 841, which is close to 900, which is very close to 900, and ending with 1. So either, okay, 30, square root of 900 is 30. It can either be 29 because it ends with 1. Okay, what else? 8 9 nines are, okay, 81, right? Which square, perfect square ends with 1 again? No, that's okay. So it is close to, it may be 29. Check it out, children. 29 into 29, I think. Okay, so this is 29. Okay, L is 29 centimeter is the slant height. L is the, okay, 29. Okay, is that all right? Yes, exactly. Akash, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Pythagoras, to find out L. Yes, Atharva. Okay, so to find out L, Pythagoras, because cone is nothing but the solid obtained by rotating a right angled triangle. Okay, so by applying Pythagoras theorem we can find out L over here. Very nice of you, right? So then curved surface area I'm supposed to find out. So what is curved surface area? CSA is equal to pi r L. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 20, and L is 29. So here none of the number will get cancelled by 7. So in such cases, what you should do is first multiply all the numerators. So 22 into 20 into 29. If you multiply, you will get them as 12760. Then you divide it by 7. Don't divide this one and round it off 3.142. Then you multiply. No, that's the wrong way. That is the wrong way. Multiply all the numerators, then you divide it by 7. So when you divide it by 7, you are going to get it as 1822.85. Okay, right. Now give your answer to the nearest whole number. So 182223 I can write. Nearest whole number in the sense 23 I can write. This much centimeter square. So here these are the tail questions what I'm telling. Okay, you will find the answer. You are very excited to find out the answer, but you forget to round it off. Okay, you should not forget to round it off. Okay, always you should round off to the nearest whole number whatever they are asking. Clear, children? Okay, now solve the following quadratic equation. Now I want you only to do this and tell me the answer. Type the answers in the, okay, comment box. Right, you tell me the answer, children. You only do this one and tell me the answer quick. I can give you some time. Be very quick enough. Quick enough. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer very quickly. Come on, be quick. Okay. Tell me the answer. Be quick. Type the answer. I'm waiting for your response, children. Be quick. Okay, 0.53. 0.53. I'm getting the answer as 0.53. correct to two decimal places. 0.53, one guy is telling it is 0.53, 0.53 and minus 2.53. Okay, Sankalp is telling 0.3 and 0.53. Bro, why your answer is only one? You are saying only it is 0.53. Okay, see the difference of answers. Okay, one of you are telling it is minus 2.53, one of you are telling it is plus 2.53. Okay, minus 2.53. This is how you lose marks in exam children. Okay, this is how, this is a guarantee question. Okay, if luck persists, you will be getting this question in section A only. Okay, for 4 marks definitely. So now those who are not getting how to solve it, concentrate over here. See here, 3x square plus of 6x minus 4 equal to 0. First of all, you need to check whether it is in the standard form or not. Okay, whether it is in the standard form or not. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is nothing but the standard form. Okay, so now here what is A is 3, B is 6 and C is equal to minus 4. Formula to be written, minus x plus or minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The formula to be written, and substitution you do, minus 6 plus or minus b square, that is 6 square minus 4 into a is this, c is minus 4, divided by 2 into 3. Okay, so minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 plus of minus into minus is 36. What are you going to get here? 12 fours are 48 you are getting. Okay, divided by 6 you are getting. So minus 6 plus or minus square root of 84 you are getting. Correct, 84 divided by 6. So now what are you doing? This is minus 6 plus or minus square root of 84. Square root of 84. What is square root of 84, children? Square root of 84. Square root of 84. Please tell me what is square root of 84. Square root of 84, 9.165. Okay, so 9.165. 9.165 divided by 6. Okay, 9.16. Okay, 165 divided by, correct, do not round off, do not round off, do not round off, please do not round off. Okay, don't round off. Okay, this is the value of x. Now here this line, many of you don't write this line till from here to here, it should be written like that. Okay, and many of you write now very stylishly, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Very stylish guys. Okay, right, don't do that, this gives different meaning, you don't get marks like this. Okay, right, please don't do that. Okay, you don't get marks like this. If you write like this, don't get marks. So now what are you going to do? X is equal to minus 6 plus of 9.165 divided by 6, and x is equal to minus 6 minus of 9.165 divided by 6. Okay, so x is equal to, here what are you going to get? 3.165 divided by 6 plus, okay, here you're going to get it as minus of 15.165 divided by 6. Okay, x is equal to, when you divide, okay, 3.165, okay, divided by 6, if you do, you are going to get it as 0.5275. And here x is equal to, when you divide minus of 15.165 divided by 6, if you do, you are going to get as minus of 2.5275. Now you are asked to round it off to two decimal places. So x is equal to 0.53. Okay, 0.53. Then x is equal to minus 2.53. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. This both and this both should be right. I'll just tell you how the marks are distributed here. Formula is written, correct substitution is written, 1 mark only is given over here, and the value of square root of 84 is written, 1 mark here you get, children. And here all the four, all these four values, all these four values, 1 2 3 4, all these four values, to what number you have rounded off, what number you have rounded off. to what number you are rounded off, which number is being rounded off. Okay, all the four values should be right, then only you are going to get the marks. Keep that in mind, children. Okay, if any of the numbers are missing over here, you don't get full marks. Clear? Corrected strictly. What kind of question you're asking, Atharva? Okay, obviously. Okay, whether is question paper is going to be easy, sir? Is it giving to go? Are you going to get any grace mark? That is not in our hand. Okay, what is there in our hand? Okay, preparing for the exam very thoroughly is in our hand. Okay, right. So that you can do. From our side, what can we do? We do it to the best. Okay, so if we are prepared for the exam thoroughly, even though the question paper is very difficult, we cannot help. Understood? So there should not be guilt when you come out of the examination hall. There should not be guilt that no, I would have prepared much and more. Okay, so that I would have done well. That guilt should not be there in your mind. Okay, so that guilt should not be there in your mind. Okay, so question paper is difficult, easy, again it depends upon your preparation. Clear? Okay, yes. Now let us go to the next one. I hope so this is clear. Many of you have written the answer as minus. Yeah, plus you have written, it is not plus, it is minus only. Okay, and yes, many of you have written it right correctly. Very good, children, very good. Okay, see, minus 2.52 you have written. Okay, bro, why it is so? Okay, it is minus 2.52. No, it's not minus 2.52, it is minus 2.53. Round it off. Okay, what you guys do now, I understand, you will just divide only till three places. Till here you will divide and you will decide, okay, it is minus 2.53. Always whenever I'm asking you to find out till two decimal places, find the answer till three decimal places, then you round it off. Don't just decide the answer by dividing over here. No. Okay, don't divide, just stop over here and conclude it. No. Okay, find the third decimal place also, then you can round it off. Always have that, whether it is significant figure, okay, or decimal place, doesn't matter. You find it thoroughly, then you round it off. Okay, yes, let's move to the next one now. Okay, right, in the adjoining figure of the circle with center O, okay, the diameter BED is given to you as 70 degree. You are asked to find out and BC is parallel to AD. BC is given as parallel to AD. Fine. Okay, now you are asked to find out the different angles whatever is been given over here. Okay, so now help me out to find out the angle. Help me out, help me out, help me out. Work on this, children. Be quick. Be quick, be quick, be quick. BAD. What is BAD? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Give me fast. BAD. Yes. Very simple, children. The figure seems to be no very complicated. It seems to be like a rangoli of your mom, whatever she has drawn right in front of your gate. But no, it is very, very simple. Okay, very, very simple. Right. BAD. Huh. Come on. BAD. See. Come on. I don't want to tell the answer. Be quick. Be quick. BAD. BAD. Can I give you some answer? Yes. Yes. Suggest us to write section A or section B. Okay. See, child. According to me, okay, I will tell about all these things on Sunday. Okay. So I will tell about all these things, what you have to attempt when the question paper is given to you, what you are supposed to do. Okay, how to solve it, what are the precautions to be taken. Okay, how to keep an eye on the watch. Okay, what time to be, okay, start solving section B. All that things we'll discuss later. Okay, don't worry. Okay, we'll have, okay, all this discussion on Sunday. Don't worry at all. Clear? Right, our board's papers are corrected strictly. Okay, right. Yeah, can you get the answer, children? Can you give me the answer? Are you trying? Are you working it out? 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 Come on. Come on, I'm waiting for your answers. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay. Topper guy is giving you the answers. Okay. Shreya is giving me the answers. Right. Okay. Satvik is giving me the answer. Okay, so BAD is 70 degree. It's absolutely right, because angles in the same segment. BAD is equal to BED. Okay, then you should write angle in the semi segment. Angles in the same segment, not semi, same segments. As I told you, statement of the theorem should be written thoroughly. Okay, right. BOD will be how much? BAD will be 70 itself. BOD is 140. Can you tell me why? BOD is 140. Can you tell me why? BOD is 140 because angle formed at the center is twice the angle in the same segment. If this is 70 degree, this is going to be 140 degree. Clear? BOD is equal to 140 degree. Very nice. Okay, many of you are telling me the right answer. Very good. DBC is this angle. This angle is how much, children? Okay, take the best use of data. They are giving you BC is parallel to AD. Take the best use of data. Take the best use of data. In this triangle, which triangle? In the triangle BAD. In the triangle BAD, AD is the diameter, correct? AD is the diameter. So I can say that this angle is 90 degree. Okay, angle in the semicircle. So apply angle sum property. This angle is 20 degree. If this angle is 20 degree, this angle is also 20 degree. Why? Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Okay. Okay. Interior alternate angles. You must know what are interior alternate angles. Okay. Whenever Z formation is there. Okay. These angles are equal to each other if these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. So interior alternate angles. DBC. DBC. Okay, we have found out DBC. DBC is how much? 20. We have found out DCF. DCF, this angle. Come on, come on. Quite simple, quite direct. See, if this kind of questions appear in the exam, no children, it is nothing but boon in disguise. Okay, it is not alternate. Okay, BD angle in the same segment, BOD. Okay, fine. This is 70 degree. Absolutely, absolutely, it is 70 degree. Atharva, you are right. This is 70 degree. Tell me why? Because whenever a cyclic quadrilateral is there, okay, cyclic quadrilateral, right, exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. If you observe it carefully, if you observe it very carefully, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. See, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This becomes the exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral, which is equal to interior opposite angle, this angle. Okay, so this becomes 70 degree. This becomes 70 degree. Very good children, very good. Okay, very good. See, I can easily say that Shreya, nowhere linear pair is used. DCF. Okay, you are finding out this one, then you are using linear pair. Can be done in many ways, but justify your answers with your steps and with your reasons. Okay, justify your answers with your steps and with your reasons. Okay, many of you are really giving me the right answers. Okay, that means what? Okay, that means what? You are preparing and your preparation is on the right track. Okay, very good children, very good. Now let us go to the next one. This is inequation. Right, solve the inequation and write down the solution set and represent it on the real number line. You are supposed to represent it on the real number line. Okay, now let us start solving this one. Okay, 3x minus 16 smaller than 2x by 5 minus 3. Okay, and 2x by 5 minus 3 smaller than or equal to minus 3 by 5 plus of 2x. Okay, correct it twice children, whether you have written the correct okay question or not. Sir, this come in question 2 and 3. Sir, will this come in question 2 and 3? You mean to say? I didn't understand, bro, I didn't understand what you're asking. Yes, sometimes, not always. 23630. Okay. Hello, sir. Or the specimen question child, I don't know actually from where I have taken. Okay, it may be okay. There are some questions which have been appeared in the specimen papers. Okay, I just went through few question papers, and whichever questions I find, these are this kind of questions maybe might be asked in the exam, or it is different kind of questions I have chosen. Okay, I have chosen it. Okay, so it is I really don't know from specimen question paper or from which year it is asked. Okay, I really don't know. Okay, so that's why I just mentioned here PYQ. It is all asked in the previous papers. Some of them are specimen papers of this year, last year, last to last year. Okay, it can be anything. So now please check once whether you have copied the question correctly or not. Okay, 3x minus 16 smaller than 2x by 5 minus 3, and you can write 2x by 5 minus 3 smaller than or equal to minus 3 by 5 plus 2x. Okay, let us start solving it. Now I'll just write this one as 3x minus of 2x by 5, then minus 3 plus of 16. Here if I take the LCM, that is a 15x minus 2x by 5, then here I get it as plus 13, then here I get it as 13x smaller than 13 into 5. This 13 get cancelled, x is smaller than 5. Okay, now let us take this side. Now this is 0.4, so this is greater, so minus 3, okay, plus of 3 by 5 smaller than or equal to 2x minus of 2x by 5. Okay, minus 3 is here, plus I have taken 2x, I have written minus, right? So this is minus 15 plus 3 by 5 smaller than or equal to 10x minus 2x by 5. So 5 can directly cancel this, so minus 15 plus 3 is minus 12 smaller than or equal to, you are going to get it as 8x. So 8x, if I take it like this, minus 2, 12 by 8, so x is smaller than or equal to minus 3 by 2. X is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, now I'll combine this. Okay, x is greater than, okay, x is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2, and x is smaller than 5. Now I should write the solution set. So what is the replacement set here? Replacement set is set of real numbers. Okay, replacement set is set of real numbers, so solution set should be written in the set builder notation. Okay, so I can write x such that x belongs to the set of real numbers, and x is smaller than 5, x is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, as I told you earlier, the flower bracket, suppose if you write it as a round bracket or if you write it as a square bracket, no marks will be given. Okay, make sure that, okay, it is written in the flower bracket only. Solve the equation, write down the solution set and represent it on the real number line. Okay, now we are supposed to represent it on the real number line. Let us draw the number line. Okay, this is the number line. What can I draw? So now here if you see the lower limit, it is minus, so I can write it from minus 3, minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. As I told you yesterday also, at least 2 numbers should be written extra on either side of the solution set. So now here since it is a set of real numbers, I have to round off the intermediates place. So minus 1 by 2 means what? It comes somewhere over here. Minus 1 by 2 somewhere over here. It is not required to measure it exactly halfway between minus 1 and minus 2, but you need to mention this one. This is minus 1 by 2. This carries very important role. This number should be mentioned. This number should be mentioned over here. Don't simply put a circle over there. Clear? Then 5 over here you are putting a circle. Okay, it is greater than or equal to, x is greater than or equal to, so this circle should be shaded. This circle should be shaded, and this circle you are not shading it because x is lesser than 5. Then you are going to draw a line over here and shade the intermediate place also. Okay, you are going to shade the intermediate place also. Okay, I always suggest you to draw the circles on the upper limit and lower limit. Okay, you can also draw it by doing like this and like this and like this and all. In hurry, suppose if this line is curved one, in hurry if this line is straight line, you will simply lose marks, children. Okay, right, it is simply lose marks. Okay, always keep in mind, whenever the replacement set is set of real numbers, okay, solution set should be written in a set builder form or rule form. I told you in the yesterday's class, if replacement set is n or w, then it is a tabular method or rooster form. If it is r, if it is r, then it is rule form. Okay, real number rule form. Okay, remember like that, real number rule form. Clear? Clear? I hope so it is clear to you all, children. I hope so it is clear to you all. Okay, so now we have too many questions. See, okay, since it is a summer, I have selected ice cream question. Okay, and I have many varieties of question, okay, which are chosen from the previous year question papers. All these questions we are going to solve it in the next session. We are going to definitely solve it in the next session. Okay, I think it is enough for today. Okay, so we are going to continue in the tomorrow's session. Okay, what else? Okay, or what are the different concepts you want me to cover in the next session? Please type and let me know. Okay, please, like, okay, type and let me know. Okay, what are the different chapters you want me to cover? What are the different concepts, sir? I find, okay, uh okay, two more questions, child. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, here, Dakshini, I will take it all topics, bro. Come on. Okay, shares and dividends, please. Okay, definitely. Trigonometry. Okay, fine, fine, child. Combination of shapes, questions, mensuration. Very nice of you. You are telling me. Okay, all the questions and central. Hey, come on. Who is this? Vani Rajesh, central tendency, very easy topic, no problem, child, no problem. Okay, I'm not saying that I don't do it. Okay, it's a very simple topic. Equation of a line, quadratic word problems. There is a detailed video in my channel. Please watch it and take the best use of it. Equation of a line, it's a one shot video. Quadratic equation word problems also one short video where I have covered all types of word problems. Okay, construction is covered, competency focused questions are covered. Okay, everything is covered. Please take the use of it. Trigonometry, tangent. Okay, trigonometric identity, tangent. Okay, bro is Nihar. Okay, oh Nihar bro. Okay, fine. Right, so stupid fellow Rishik, Bodmas rule it seems. Learn addition and subtraction, stupid fellow. Okay, now, okay, trigonometry having problems with how to equate. Okay, fine. I'll take two. Okay, all the concepts I will take: trigonometry and tangent and heights and distances. Fine, trigonometric identities. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll cover all these chapters. Okay, I'll come tomorrow with all these questions. Right, and please, okay, ask your friends to join. Okay, and ask them to subscribe. Okay, that is some kind of motivation what I'm getting. If you are not watching, if I'm not getting more subscriptions, I get demotivated, children, really. Right, I need to have some motivation, right, just like you guys. right? So then only I can come up with different questions and different higher order questions, competency focused questions and all, right? Yeah. So now, sorry, we'll stop over here, children. Don't worry, don't worry. Right. So maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow we can have a little bit longer hours, right? But we'll stop over here. We'll continue in the next class. Till then, keep working. Thank you so much. And listen, before we leave, I'm just telling you what you should study tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, many of you want to study, but you don't know how to study and what to study. Clear? So by this time you should be done with the chapter wise revision, and by this time you should have solved at least 6 to 7 sample papers. Okay, tomorrow and day after tomorrow you are concentrating only on the topics whichever you are finding them difficult. Okay, not day after tomorrow, only tomorrow you are finding them difficult, you are okay with topics. Okay, you are covering and concentrate on all the types of questions. And Sunday is going to be a very important class. We are not going to deal much with the question and answers or solutions. I'm just going to discuss on how to approach the question, what importance to be given, what are the different kind of mistakes you guys do. Okay, and what are the things to be kept in mind, how the answer should be presented. These all things we are going to discuss on Sunday's class. Okay, so that Monday you can take the best use of that, right? So now till then, take care, keep working. Thank you so much. All right, thank you so much. Keep working. See you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.